Felix had other previous cases in 2004. These two cases of Felix are all assault. And these cases are still pending before a court of law. The narrative that is being portrayed that Philip is untouchable is completely incorrect and mispresentation of facts. The three cases that are pending before a court of law are yet to be concluded, and therefore the police has nothing to do with the case that is already before a court of law. And we are still waiting to see the outcome of the cases. For purposes of removing doubt whether Felix is untouchable, we are calling upon any member of public who may have witnessed or may have been affected, subjected to any kind of criminal activity, to come forth and give us this information, because the Director of Criminal Investigation has actually opened a file so that we are able to establish whether what was portrayed in the dailies is correct or not. To the best of my knowledge, Felix is not untouchable and is not above the law.